heading to a showing out in Versailles, and apparently you have to cross a few creeks to get to it. So I'll make a quick video of this drive and we'll see how, if I have to put it in 4-wheel drive or if we'll just be able to keep going here. There's the second creek. I would assume this would be pretty treacherous if the water was high. Actually, it's not that bad so far. That's the third one. Let's see how much more we have coming up here. It's a pretty drive. Haven't passed many people today. Not many people are out on the road, which is a good thing. Let's see, here we go. Here's another. I wonder how they had planned this road originally with this creek here. I can't imagine they would have always had it so you had to drive through. But my client beat me out here, so he's aware of this and he seems to like that. So if he likes it, I like it. I can't see how this would work if the water's really high. Definitely need 4-wheel drive, I would assume, sometime. If you could even get out at all. Alright, it looks like we're going uphill now, so maybe that is the last of the river crossings. Narrow road. Wouldn't want to have to pass somebody. But anyway, I guess that's it. So I'll turn this off. Have a good day, everybody.